Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to withdraw funds from your Interactive Brokers account. First, log into your client portal. Then, navigate to the Transfer and Pay menu. Next, select the Withdraw Funds option. You will then choose your preferred withdrawal method and enter the desired amount. Finally, confirm your request to complete the process. This guide will help you manage your money effectively. Interactive Brokers offers several convenient ways to access your money. Wire transfers are excellent for larger sums, typically arriving within 1 to 3 business days. For United States clients, ACH transfers provide a free and efficient option, usually taking 1 to 4 business days. You can also use bill pay to send funds directly to payees. Additionally, check withdrawals are available in certain circumstances, though they may take longer to process. Let's walk through the withdrawal process step by step. First, log into your Interactive Brokers client portal using your credentials. Once inside, find the Transfer and Pay menu, usually located at the top or side. From there, select Withdraw Funds. You will then choose your preferred method, such as a wire or ACH transfer. Enter the specific amount you wish to withdraw, then carefully review all details before confirming your request. It's a straightforward process. Before finalizing your withdrawal, consider a few important details. Be mindful of any daily or weekly withdrawal limits, which can vary by account type and method. Also, understand that while some methods like ACH transfers are often free, others, such as wire transfers, may incur a small fee, typically around $10 for domestic wires. Processing times range from 1 to 5 business days depending on the method. Always double-check your banking information for accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.